Good morning, children. So today we will be starting with the budget line chapter, means the budget line part. Okay. So far we have discussed different combinations of two goods that provide the same level of satisfaction. But which combination will a consumer actually purchase depends upon his income and prices of the two commodities. So till now we have discussed what that the indifference curve means, the combination of two goods that we are consuming and it is giving us the same level of satisfaction. But which combination we will purchase not only depends upon the utility that we are getting, but also depends upon the income. Okay, and the prices of the two commodities means whether we can afford it or not. So it depends on the income and price of the two commodities also. Now, consumer budget states the real income or purchasing power of the consumer from which he can purchase certain quantitative bundles of two goods at a given price. So, what does the consumer budget states? The consumer budget states the real income or purchasing power. The real income or purchasing power of the consumer from which he can purchase certain bundles of two goods at a given price. Okay, so the budget states the purchasing power of the consumer. It means a consumer can purchase only those combination bundles of goods which cost less than or equal to his income. So it means what? That the consumer can purchase only those combination of goods which is according to their income, which is affordable in their income. Budget line is a graphical presentation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased with given income and prices, such that the cost of each of these combinations is equal to the money income of the consumer. So what is budget line? If the question comes, what is budget line? So budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combination of two goods. Graphical presentation of all possible combination of two goods which can be purchased with given income and prices, which we can purchase with our given income and prices, so that the cost of such that the cost of this combination is equal to the money income of the consumer. Means what? Means when it is showing the all possible combination of two goods which we can afford with our income. Okay, what is it showing indirectly? The cost of each of these combination. The cost of each of these combination which is equal to our income, because हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग उसको खरीद रहे हैं. Okay, so we are buying it with the help of our money only, income only. So it is indirectly showing the cost of each combination which is equal to the money income of the consumer. Let us understand now the concept of budget line. Suppose the consumer has an income of rupees 20. He wants to spend it on two commodities X and Y, and both are priced at rupees 10. Now the consumer has three options to spend his entire income. He can buy 2 units of X, buy 2 units of Y, or buy 1 unit of X and 1 unit of Y. So his income is rupees 10. His income is rupees 20 and the commodities X and Y are priced at rupees 10. So either he can buy 2 units of X and compromise Y, or he can buy 2 units of Y and compromise full of X, or he can buy 1 unit of X and 1 unit of Y with his income. So these are the three possible bundles. 2 0 0 2. 2 is X, 0 is Y. Here 0 is X, 2 is Y. 1 or 1. Means either 2 units of X and 0 unit of Y, or 0 units of X and 2 units of Y, or 1 unit of X, 1 unit of Y. So all these three bundles are represented graphically, and when we represent these bundles graphically, we get a downward sloping straight line which is known as the budget line. Why again downward sloping? Both the variables are moving in the opposite direction. If I am consuming one, I am consuming the other less. If I am consuming one more, I am consuming the other less. So, I am dividing my resources among the two commodities. I am consuming one more, then I am consuming the other less. So, as both the variables are moving or both the goods are here moving in the opposite direction, so that is why the curve is downward sloping, which we get while we plot these points. Okay. Now, Now the next thing to be discussed is budget set. Budget set is the set of all possible combinations of two goods which a consumer can afford given his income and prices in the market. So given his income, given the price of the commodities, all the combinations of goods which a consumer can afford is called budget set. In addition to the three options, there are some more options available to the consumer within his income. Okay, so budget set includes all the bundles with his income. So what are the other available sets? 0001, 02, 10, 20, 11. See, so with 20 rupees income and 10 rupees priced each goods, the consumer has got so many options. He can spend no money of the either good, or he can spend money in this way among the two goods. So he has got so many combinations. The budget set includes all these bundles. Okay, the consumer bundles are all these. Okay, and budget set includes all these possible combinations. Now, budget set and budget line are two different concepts. Budget set includes all the possible bundles which cost less than or equal to the consumer's money at the given price. On the other hand, budget line represent all those bundles that the consumer can purchase by spending his entire income. So budget set, all those combinations which is less than his income or equal to his income. And budget line, all those bundles which the consumer can purchase by spending his whole income. So in one case, he is not spending his full income. He is either spending less of it or equal to it. In the other case, he is spending the full of it. So the bundles or the budget set lie either on or below the budget line. The bundles of the budget set lie either on or below the budget line. The bundles of the budget line lie on the budget line. Now this difference I will be showing you in the next video, that is in the diagram. So first one, in case of budget set, he is spending either less of his income or equal to it. And in case of budget line, he is spending his entire income. This is one of the difference. The other difference I will be explaining in the next video. Thank you.